Welcome to Solver SDK platform. This is a powerful, comprehensive software development kit that enables you to embed optimization or simulation in your applications. Solver SDK platform can be used in any Windows or Linux application. Use it as a callable library or as a web service. Solver SDK supports programming languages such as R, Python, C, C++, C#, VB6, VB.NET, Java, and MATLAB. SDK exposes a standards-based web service API, enabling you to create models in PHP and JavaScript. You can create a zero-footprint application that defines a model on a web page for use in a browser or mobile phone and solves the model using the web service. Solver SDK platform can load, update, and solve models created in our high-level Rayzon modeling language, as the Rayzon interpreter is embedded in Frontline Solver SDK products. Furthermore, Solver SDK allows you to load and solve Excel workbook models to create a bridge between your business analysts and developers. Everything is included and easy to use, from our SDK user and reference guides and Solver Engines user guide to over 35 example applications in different programming languages, illustrating how to set up and solve every type of problem. To learn more, start your own free trial today.